Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to take a break from someone on Facebook. So let's start the video. First open Facebook and search for the person's profile that you want to take a break from. Once on their profile, click on Friends option under their name. Select Take a break from the drop-down menu. This feature helps you limit what you see from this person and what they can see from you. Customize your preferences. You will be given three options. See less of this person. This limits the post you see from them in your feed without unfriending or blocking them. And the second one is limit what they say. You can control what posts and updates they see from you. And the next one is edit past interactions. This lets you adjust the visibility of past posts you have shared with them. Customize these options as far as you need it and tap save. Now you are all set. You have successfully taken a break from this person without having to unfriend or block them. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.